In this video, you will learn how to buy the S&P 500 on XTB. Log into your XTB account, open the xStation 5 platform on your desktop or mobile, then log in using your XTB credentials. Search for the US 500. In the market search bar, type US 500. This is the CFD symbol for the S&P 500 index. Select your instrument, click on US 500 from the list of the instruments, and open its price chart or trading panel. Choose the buy now option. Click the buy button if you expect the index to go up. If you're speculating on a rise in the S&P 500, this opens a long buy. CFD position. Set your trade parameters. Enter the trade size such as volume, and additionally set stop losses or take profit levels to manage your risk. Place the order. Click place order to confirm. Your position will now be visible in the open trade section. Now you know how to buy the S&P 500 on XTB. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.